Today on Seasonings, we're talking about this. These are bay leaves. So, bay leaves, one of the most misunderstood spices in your spice cabinet. And I know a lot of people say, I put in the bay leaf, but it doesn't change the flavor. It doesn't change the flavor. It's flavorless. Why am I putting in the bay leaf? There's conspiracy theories about bay leaves. And of course, if you've got a bag of bay leaves in the back of your spice cabinet and you don't remember when you bought them, chances are they don't have any flavor. If you don't use many bay leaves, don't buy a whole bag of them. Buy them in smaller quantities. Use them up while they're fresh. I mean, they're dried, but when they're fresh, and you will notice a flavor difference. So the bay leaf goes by a bunch of different names. Bay laurel, Roman laurel, sweet bay. The plant species that the bay leaf comes from is the Laurelus nobilis. I've written it there because my Latin isn't fantastic. The region of origin is from Asia, and I know that's kind of vague, but you know, that's the best we can do because it grows everywhere now. Most of the bay leaves that you're going to buy commercially dried like this in the supermarket are grown in Turkey. You can occasionally find a fresh bay leaf in North America, and chances are that comes from California. It's from a different plant, has some of the same properties, but you should treat it differently. You're not going to get the same flavor as from one of these. And one of the problems with the California laurel variety is that it'll smell fantastic. It's fresh, it's bright, it's fantastic smelling. You put that in your super stew, you cook it in a long, low, slow cook, and all of those bright flavors disappear. And what you're left with is sometimes a very camphorous smelling and tasting, which isn't terribly pleasant. So be careful. If you find them, great. Be careful how you use them. Test them out first. So the bay leaf is a bittering compound, and it's a base on which you build other flavors. You get that bitter note in the background, down at the bottom, and then you put other brighter flavors on top, and it rounds out your stews, your soups, your sauces. It is a very important flavor component as long as you're using reasonably fresh ones. Now, most recipes tell you to remove the bay leaf before serving, and some people on the interwebs have taken this to mean, or they believe, that the leaf itself is poisonous, which is, to me, completely ludicrous. You're removing the leaf because it doesn't break down, and who wants to get this on their spoon and in their mouth, and you know, it can cut the inside of your mouth, you could choke on it. You want to take it out so that you have a more pleasant dining experience. If the leaf was poisonous, and you put this in a soup and you boiled the soup for 2 hours, all of the poison would leave the leaf and it would be in your soup, and the soup would kill you. So they're not poisonous. You remove them so that you don't hurt yourself while you're eating the soup or the stew or the rice or whatever it is you put the leaf into. Now, these leaves are fantastic for, as I said, soups, stews, rice dishes, major flavor component in a court bouillon. Always see them in a bouquet garni. You put them in a crab boil, you put them in brine for meat, you often put them into pickles. Very versatile flavoring component, and that's the bay leaf.